All the annuals here are begonias, but as you can see, they don't look even. And one of the reasons is all annuals in the nursery are given growth retardants to help branch and keep the plant compact. And environmental factors are what causes them to grow or be stunted, like this begonia here. Nice and compact and blooming, but not filled in like it should have. And then you have other problems here of stem rot that has killed these first two begonias. And I'm standing here and there's water standing on top of the ground and I'm squishing. There is something wrong with the irrigation system that's not evenly distributing water to all of these plants. And some are way too wet, and others have getting just the right amount of water to be nice and even.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.